We're here in front of Benny's barn.
Dora, let's knock the door to call for Benny.
Sure. Will you help me knock the door? Knock, knock!
Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots.
Hi, Benny.
Come in. Dora, Boots, I have something to show you. So I invited you.
What is it?
What is it? I want to see it.
My grandma gave me a present. And do you know what's inside?
A toy car? A big teddy bear?
No, animal puzzles.
Wow! Animal puzzles? Show us, Benny.
All right.
Benny!
Uh-oh. Are you okay, Benny?
Yeah. But what about the puzzles?
Don't worry, Benny. Let's put them back together.
Really? Will you help us put the puzzles together?
Great! Come on, let's do this. Let's put the puzzles together. Which puzzle to start with?
Cool! Wow! Oops!
Wow!
Cool!
Great
Wow!
job! It's a duck.
A duck?
Quack, quack, quack. It's a yellow duck.
Wow! It has a wonderful name.
Right! Now which puzzle do you want to try? I really want to know what kind of animal puzzle this is.
Wow!
Wow! Cool! Wow! Cool!
Great job!
Wow! Oink oink! It's a pig!
Right! It's a pig!
Pig, pig! Pinky oinky pig!
Now which puzzle do you want to try? I really want to know what kind of animal puzzle this is.
Wow!
Cool! Wow! Cool! Wow!
Fantastic! It's a sheep!
A sheep!
White as snow and soft!
Wow! Great!
Sheep!
Let's put the other puzzles.
Sure! Now which one do you want to try?
Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Very good!
Wow! It's a moo-moo cow!
Right! It's a cow!
Cow, cow! Moo, moo, cow!
We did it! We have done really nice animal puzzles. helping. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
These are the puzzles we've done together. Pig. Duck. Cow. Sheep.
Wow, cool.
Well, let's put these puzzles back into the box. My dear animal puzzles.
Help us to put the puzzles into the box. Pig. Duck. Cow. Sheep.
Yay!
Thank you. We've put all the puzzles into the box. Now let's put the box in place.
Oh no! Benny! Whoa! It's so noisy! Where is this noise coming from?
There's something happening under the hill. Do you want to know what's happening? Do you want to go and check with us? Yay! Come on! Let's go!
Hurry, hurry! Oh no! Something is blocking our way.
Do you know what this is?
Big red chicken!
Hi, Big Red Chicken.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots.
Big Red Chicken. Where's all that noise coming from the farm?
All the mommy animals are trying to find their babies for bedtime. They make many different sounds, so it's very noisy.
I see.
I have to go home to see my little chicks, too. Will you help mommy animals find their babies?
Okay, we can help.
Bye! Wow! There are lots of animals!
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Look, the mommy duck found her baby.
Nay.
Huh? The mommy horse found her baby. Oh no! The other animal mommies can't find their babies. Will you help us?
Yeah!
Great!
Bah, bah.
Ooh! A sheep says bah!
Right! A sheep says ba ba.
Oh! Do we need to call bah for a baby sheep?
Right! Let's call for the baby sheep. Say ba. sheep.
It's not the baby sheep.
Bah! Fantastic! The mommy sheep found her baby.
Bah, bah.
Now, let's help the mommy pig find her baby pig. A pig says,
Oink, oink.
a pig says, oink, oink.
Oink, oink. It sounds really fun. Let's call for the baby pig.
Say it with us. Oink, oink.
Louder.
Oink, oink. Where is the baby pig?
Oink, oink.
Fantastic! The mommy pig found her baby.
Oink, oink.
Did we find all the baby animals? Oh no! The mommy cow didn't find her baby cow.
Moo, moo.
Uh-oh, we have to find the baby cow.
Moo, moo.
Huh? It's the baby cow. Where is the sound coming from?
Listen carefully where the sound is coming from and find the baby cow. A cow says,
Moo.
listen carefully and find the baby cow.
Moo, moo. Moo, moo. Moo, moo.
Correct! The baby cow. Thank you for helping. All the baby animals went back to their homes. Thank you very much.
Phew! It's all good now.
The mommy animals will put the baby animals to sleep.
It's time for the babies to go to bed. Oh.
It's time for Boots to go to bed too. Now we need to go to bed too. Good night.
Good night.
Finally, we're here in the concert hall.
Yay! But Dora, what are we going to do here?
We will sing a happy song with the animal friends on the farm.
Wow! Cool! I'm so excited!
Yeah, me too.
Dora, do the animal friends sing well like us?
Let's listen to how well they sing.
Good! All right, all right!
I really want to know how the animal friends sing. Will you tap the animals one by one?
Bah, bah, bah. Quack, quack, quack.
Moo, moo, moo.
Will you tap the animals one by one? Will you tap the animals one by one?
Oink, oink, oink.
They sing really well.
All right, let's sing a song. Are you ready to sing like your animal friends? Great! Now,
Stand up, 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 up.
cows say moo, moo. We all say moo, moo. Ducks say quack, quack, quack. We all say quack, quack, quack. Let's sing a song. We sing with many friends. We sing all together. We sing all together. La 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 la. Moo, moo, quack, quack, quack. Wow, great singing.
You're really good at singing.
We'll try hard too. Sheep say ba, ba. We all say ba, ba. Pigs say oink, oink, oink. We all say oink, oink, oink. Let's sing a song. We sing with many friends. We sing all together. We sing all together. La 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 la. Ba, ba, oink, oink, oink.
Cool. Everyone is really great.
Yeah, great! This time sing louder. Cows say moo, moo. Ducks say quack, quack. Sheep say ba, ba. Pigs say oink, oink. We sing all together. La 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 la. La 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 la. Moo, moo. Quack, quack. Ba, ba. Oink, oink. We sing all together. We sing all together. I like flowers. There are red, yellow, and blue flowers. What color flowers do you like? Me too. Wow! These flowers are really beautiful.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots.
Hi, Isa! Isa, you have many beautiful flowers.
Thanks. Many friends come to my garden to see my beautiful flowers.
Ooh! Look! It's a butterfly! Butterfly! Huh? There are honeybees!
Right. Honeybees come and take honey from the flowers. Every time they fill up their jar with honey.
Wow!
Look! The jars that the honeybees are holding have letters on them.
E, E. F, F. G, G. H, H.
full of honey.
They are really interesting.
Huh? You hear that, Dora?
Yes, it sounds like someone's crying. Do you see who is crying? There they are!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I'm lost. I don't know how to get home. What should I do?
They are the honeybees we saw a while ago.
Right. Why are you crying?
We were on our way home with honey jars, but we're lost. Oh,
Don't worry. We can help you go back home.
really?
Yeah! We can help you!
Will you help the honeybees to get back home? Great! Come on, let's go! Do you see the honeybees home? Yeah, there they are! There are the same letters on each bee's jar and house. Let's find their houses. Let's bring the honeybees home. Where should they go? 8.
Fantastic.
G. E.
Thank you.
F.
Yay! I'm home.
G.
Thanks. Thank you for finding our houses.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We found the right houses for them.
Look, it's a queen bee.
Thank you for taking the honeybees home safely. This is my present for you.
Wow, it's sweet honey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The honeybees could go back home safely.
And we got sweet honey from the queen bee. Ooh, ooh, ah,